Welcome back to the Mad Dog Chili Farm. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai sweet chili. So we're going to go into the kitchen and I'll talk you through it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
So first up, I'm going to finely chop some chilies. Here I use Thai chilies. You can use whatever you like. Then I chop up the garlic. We use 6 cloves of garlic. You don't have to use that amount. So first off, half a cup of water. Then half a cup of apple cider vinegar. You can use white distilled vinegar. This is the important part. If you haven't got fish sauce, don't bother trying to make it. So you want 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. That really makes it, you know, most Thai dishes have got a fish sauce in it, so you really need to get some of that if you can. Half a cup of brown sugar. And 2 teaspoons of pickled chillies in a jar. One tablespoon of tomato ketchup. 1.5 teaspoons of cornflour, cornstarch. You can add more or less. If you want a thicker sauce, add more. If you want it a runny sauce, add less. And then just whisk all the ingredients up together. Make sure the cornstarch is sort of, you know, you have to be careful you don't get lumps with cornstarch or corn flour, so just make sure it's all whisked up. Bring it up to a boil, and then you're just going to want to simmer it on a fairly high heat until you get the consistency that you like. Just keep stirring it every now and again just to make sure it's all combined throughout. Just a nice gentle boil. That's all you need. So now turn off the heat, add in your fresh garlic and chilies. You can see the viscosity of the sauce. It's very sauce-like. Just make sure you get all that in there. It is better if you chop it up a little bit finer than that. But this was just a bit of a rough sauce. Not rough, but you know. Here we have 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Pop that in. Give it a good stir. And then you can put that to one side. Pop a lid on it. And let it cool down for a couple of hours. If you leave it to stand for a couple of hours and then taste it, you can then adjust it to suit. This one was very garlicky, so next time I'll probably reduce the garlic a little bit more and maybe add a little bit more corn flour. And there we have it. We had it with spring rolls, nems as they call them.
So that's it. Really is as simple as that. Once you get it cooked up, take it off the heat, fresh ingredients in, let it cool down for a couple of hours, then it's ready to eat. And you can pop it in a jar, put the lid on, and that'll keep in the fridge for a couple of weeks at least. So I hope you like this video. Please click the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that bell notification button, you'll be notified of any new uploads we put out. And from all of us here at the Mad Dog Chili Farm, it's bye for now.